What's going on in Thailand? How are these people flying? That's what I wondered when I first came here, and later I found out. I've discovered that Thailand has a strategic location and excellent connectivity to more than 3 billion consumers, which is why it's well known as a gateway to Asia. Thailand's business landscape is very competitive with a solid infrastructure and logistics network, diversified economy, strong value chain, and a skilled workforce. Not to mention its more than 10 free trade agreements covering half of the world's population. From here, you can reach most Asian countries within 5 hours by air. That's why Thailand has become a regional hub for major industries and multinational corporations. So what do they offer for investors like us? To bolster its position as the ASEAN gateway for high-value added businesses and to fuel investors to greater heights, Thailand is launching benefits for projects in targeted industries, designated as its new engine of growth. Next-generation automobiles and auto parts, smart electronics and telecoms equipment, biochemicals and bioplastics, the digital economy, food innovation, medical services and healthcare, aerospace technology, and automation and robotics. By investing in these target industries, you gain a full support of the Thai government for collaboration to connect businesses with academic and research institutions in order to strengthen human resources and technological development, infrastructure and logistics system development, R&D and training grants, and a maximum incentive package, including corporate income tax exemptions for up to 15 years, and much, much more. Let the new engine of growth give wings to your business and let Thailand's excellent connectivity propel your success to new heights throughout Asia. Think Asia. Invest Thailand.